This is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on bypassing the recycle bin. Now, the recycle bin was originally created to help you when you accidentally deleted files. And you can see I opened my recycle bin. There's quite a few pictures in here. And if I right-click, I can restore. But I've been asked by a number of people if it's possible to disable the recycle bin, and indeed it is. So right-click on the recycle bin, move down to Properties. When that dialog comes up, you'll see right here, there's a checkbox. And if you check that, it says do not move files to the recycle bin. Remove files immediately when deleted. Now when you set that, every time you go to delete a file, you're going to get a confirmation prompt. Like, are you sure you want to delete this? If you want to eliminate that as well, just unclick this box, display delete confirmation dialog, click apply, click OK, and now when you delete a file, it's deleted. No recycle bin, no confirmation about whether you're sure you want to delete, it's gone. And that's all there is to it.